like
Wait,
crust. Like,
ask for more tortillas.
sir, can I get some more tortillas? For tortillas, how many? You get cost extra? Huh? You get cost extra? Yeah, I get those. For each? Or two? He makes them himself like that. Actually, no, it's probably like 2 or 4, and he like puts the other 2 in like his purse. Hey guys, we didn't even read the description of what we got. It just looked good when we bought it.
And it is good.
So where's the enchilada start? Where does it begin? Where does it end? Oh yeah, me and you got your birthday off. We were going to SeaWorld.
I know. I saw that on the schedule. It said requested off, and we got it approved.
Guess who got it approved for us?
Mock?
Huh?
Who?
Not Mock.
Max? Really?
For some bitch, dude. She got a super clean. I finished doing it right one, and I did it, and then I went to go get the water bottles, and I didn't do the grill or the inside windshield, which is like it's not even part of the detail.
Flip her shit.
Fucking tore hard. I was like, I'm gonna hand something. Mark yelled at me, and I was so sad.
Wait, what did he do?
Mark. Hitting me down. He got in my fucking, what do you call it?
Your neck?
My artery in my neck, yeah. And he was all like, it hurt. It stops blood flow. And I was like, and then I was like, and then he was all like, what the fuck are you doing going to fill fucking water bottles? And I was all like, my girlfriend was all like, oh yeah? and then fucking someone came behind the car and he like go at me like, oh yeah, I got you, but I don't move the car.